recording. What's up, everybody? Welcome to aespa's Whiplash MV reaction. It's been a month. I am so freaking late, bruh. Listen, I've seen this everywhere, throughout TikTok. Hi. Also, we're live on Twitch. Let me see if I can get the chat up. Oh shit. Wait, hold up. Shout out to the chat. Here we go. Hey, everybody say what's up. Say hi on YouTube. If you're here on Twitch, what's poppin'? It's lit over here. Alright, I know, better late than never. But I felt like people really thought I hated. Listen, when I know, sometimes life happens, and I know, so, like, oh, he's not reacting to my group, so he must hate them. No, I don't. I really don't. It's just that things come up, and then I don't know how to explain. Like, I have to work on my other things. I got life. I got this, got that. But I'm here now. aespa's Whiplash. I feel like I know this MV, but I don't. I've heard this everywhere, whether it be my friends who are dancers that cover it, whether I see the freaking hook so many times on TikTok, everywhere. It was calling my name. Y'all right now, aespa's been in they bag. They've been in they bag. It's everything about them has been beautiful. Like, come on. We're talking about aespa. But Whiplash is their latest one. This came out when? October 21st. What's today's date? November 12th. Shit. I have no excuse. I really have no excuse. Just call me Lolo Dre. I be slow now. Listen, I'm not the same Dre that you knew freaking 10 years ago where I'm on it every freaking day. I got you, Sody. Appreciate you. But we're here now. Lolo Dre checking out aespa's Whiplash in 3, 2, 1. Get it. Be sure to comment who your favorite or who's your bias. If you don't have your bias, tell me your favorite song. Anyways, bow. Ooh. What they summoning? They already look.
One look, give 'em whiplash. Beat drop with a big flash. 집중해 좀 더 think fast.
Oh, what we filming?
They won't know I've been bad. Don't stop in the link tag. 무리해도 can't touch that. Under pressure, body sweating. Can you feel?
He got me speechless. What the hell? What? They are the crew. They just sharp though. This part. That's such a. Whoever made this choreo is sexy. It's sexy. I don't know about what rubbing on the neck is, but it got me hooked. Damn, the makeup too. Ooh, it made me want to go run down like a runway, or not run down, but walk down a runway. Got me feeling like a bad bitch. Bro, the angles in this whole music video already got me dead. Look at her. I don't know what she gonna say to me. She could just, I was gonna say something crazy. She could say whatever to my face. Or do whatever. I would have said thank you. They just look rich. Oh, that shit. Oh, it took her heel. She needs it. Freaking Giselle's pink hair. Went. Okay. Was her hair? Her head was bleeding, or was it a red light? Damn, she drinking champagne. Like, how you bounce a champagne glass like that? What is that? Wine glass? Oh, it's the lighting. It's the lighting. What the hell, bro? The visuals are crazy. JYP really be funding them like crazy. You know what I'm saying? That's a good thing, because JYP sometimes they be not, you know? Not JYP. Oh my God. I read your comment and said JYP and I said JYP. SM! I meant SM! I'm about to be canceled. Hey, shout out to LA. That's why I be. Ooh, the change up though. It is all about you, Miss Ma'am. Okay, Miss Ma'am. Woo! Freaking Karina's hair too. Woo! It's the accessories though. Where did they get these accessories? Oh, what did it say? Oh my god. Game changer bringing the new era. Ooh. Okay, talk your shit. Hey, hey. Let's go. They should have played this at New York Fashion Week for real. Bro, they just serving by just standing. Look at Winter with that short hair too. Whew. Bro, this is a poster. I mean, it is kind of a poster, but look at this. Look at them. Holy shit. The song itself hits. Got me feeling like I'm a bad bitch on a runway. Got me thinking I'm like just serving. Nah, the first like hit. Great runway song. Say JYP, listen. Oh, don't be playing that. Don't be playing that. I'm not ready for that. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for this. Can't just be like telling me to go into that. We still on aespa right now. Hold up. Hold up. Did you say JYP? First of all, somebody commented about JYP. Someone said, Adam said, why did I realize JYP is one of the reactions? And then I got JYP in my mind. But also, you know, sometimes JYP don't be funding as well. But SM, I meant SM, bro. In the club, we are all fam. Why am I hearing Work Bitch by Britney Spears? I can see that. Winter looking like an anime character. Bro, she always be serving. Every one of them. Hold up, look at this. Was it Ning Ning that grabbed her neck? One look, give him whiplash. How the hell? How the hell? My God. How you gonna start off like that? One look, give him whiplash. I mean, the whole choreo is grabbing the neck like that. She grabbed herself, no, for real. Wait. Day one, I know I've been bad. Okay. Still shook. Woo. I can't. Damn. Winter though. Woo, ding ding. Oh my God. Come through. Bro, I'm sweaty right now. They got me heated. Like in a good way. Oh, man, I don't know. I'm sweating. I'm very curious what people will take. Do everybody like this comeback? Not that it doesn't matter, because I enjoy it, and I know me and Hedgen are gonna like bump to it. Oh my God, that is a crazy shot. Oh my God, that's a Dami. Wow, I'm about to say Dami Mommy. That's a Dami Mommy shot. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, that shit got me whipped like a whiplash for real. This is like you can't hang with me. You can't hang with us. I think I love it because I already heard the hook so many times on TikTok, right? And I was like, "Ooh, this serving," and you know, everybody, all my friends be playing this, so that's why I know of the song. I just never seen the music video. Oh my God, she is serving, girl. Every one of them. So they're just building piece by piece. this is pretty interesting right here.
Eyes breathe in and visualize.
Oh my God, you are just amazing. Sorry, I'm just like this is her. She's serving. Oh my fucking God. Just look at her. Who the fuck lays down like that with a with a look, how am I gonna do it? And she's serving. You know, it'd be crazy if she actually drank whatever's in there and it did not spill. I'd be like, oh my God, you're an angel. You're not real. Was that the thumbnail? Wow, the hair changed too. I already know there's gonna be in every random dance play. I don't even participate in those things, but I already know. That's in the random dance play. Everybody gonna be doing it. Nailed it. All right. Well, obviously I liked it. It's a good vibe. I did hear it like multiple times throughout the month through TikTok and my friends. I just never seen the music video, and I'm glad to say it was worth the wait of me finally checking it out. Oh my God. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to aespa. And thank you guys for your patience. I don't know who's going to see this on YouTube or if you're watching here with me on Twitch. Appreciate you. But yeah, that's aespa, everybody. Thank you to Sodiu. I have received an aespa album. Whiplash album. Is it Whiplash album? Bro, I am not. Yeah, I mean, it has Whiplash, Killing It, Kill It, Flights, Not Feelings, Pink Hoodie, Flowers, and Just Another Girl. Just got it today. This is iconic. I'm about to unbox this. Supposedly there's a shirt in here. I think this is the Giselle version. It was random. You know, I have never seen Whiplash yet, and I feel ashamed. I feel ashamed because I've seen it everywhere except the music video. It's called Whiplash, right? Okay, bet. All right. So, let me open it. First, the shirt. The shirt, y'all. Now, I don't know if it fits me, but poster. Now, I looked at the poster already. Okay, this is the CD. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Oh, it's Giselle. That's actually pretty fire. Hold up. Let me zoom in. Ooh. Wow. Bruh. Look at it. That's fucking iconic. I'm not gonna lie. Hate that it's folded. I hate it. I wish they had rolled it up. But probably gonna hang it up. What? Y'all seeing this? Hold up. Not the music though. What? Look at that. I guess this is like the photo, like part of the photo. Oh my God. Damn. They give it a lot. Yeah, this is the limited version. Appreciate you, so do you. The credits, like not the credits, like the track list. So after this unboxing, oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know if I'll go through the whole photo book. What the hell is this? What's this for? Like, you know, when you get into a club or event? Damn. Hold up. Oh my God. Oh, that's so badass looking though. It kind of remind me like that Gentle Monster Tekken glasses though. Oh, she's serving though. She is serving for real. Oh my God, that hair is bruh. Whew. That's iconic. Every one of them. Everywhere. I don't even have a favorite in here. I mean, I always say my bias is Karina, but my God. Not the tongue out. Visualize. Damn. Oh my. Okay, listen. They all serving, but like Giselle's like serving. With them nails too. What the hell? I love the yellow to pink ratio in her hair. That's a random statement. Whoa. Oh, the nails are crazy on here. Like, my bias is Karina, but I really have love for all of them, to be honest. Oh, shit. Whoa. Oh, my God. That looks badass. What the hell? I don't think this fits me. I'm gonna try it on. Beanie off. Fits. It kind of fits. Like, kinda. My titties are showing. But it's not as comfortable. But I feel like if I do some more weightlifting. Listen. Thank you. Appreciate you. I'm gonna take this off though. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I actually like it. It's not small. It just like it grasps my chesticles. I don't feel comfortable with them yet. Like my man titties, they buff, but they need to lose some extra. They need to tone up, and it's too clinging. Yeah, look at these. Ooh. Ooh, you already know I love stickers. The designs look fire, by the way. They look really fire. All right. They also come with these stickers too. So we get a photo card for each member. The first one. Whoa. Oh, she look cute here. Aw. Hello. Beautiful. And then we got all of them right here. And that's what it comes with.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.